Hi, so it's Jonathan from Premier, and today's challenge is, have a look at here, cleaning this roof. So there's years and years of moss build up there, so I wasn't too sure whether to bring a lawnmower or a strimmer to do this, but what we're going to be doing is soft washing the roof to remove all that moss, algae, lichen and mould. Now you may be wondering, well, what's the point? Well, when you can see all this moss here, what's the purpose of a roof? It's to remove the moisture to keep you nice and warm and dry in the house. Well, unfortunately, moss acts a little bit like a sponge. It can hold about 20 to 30 times its weight in moisture, and that degrades the roof tiles. Also, in winter time, when the moss gets in between the joints, when it freezes, it expands and contracts, and that can cause issues with cracking tiles and the joints on the roof as well as looking unsightly, blocking your gutters. Another reason why you should remove moss is because moss is a plant and it has a filament root system. And why do plants have roots? Well, it's to feed itself. So what's the moss doing? Well, it's having all you can eat buffet on that roof. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to soft wash the roof, apply a chemical which will remove and kill all the organic material, then we'll low pressure clean the roof to get rid of any rest of the debris. And with any soft wash authorised in-network companies, we can offer a 5-year warranty on your roof. So that means if anything happens to us, our business, then that 5-year warranty will still be intact, and any of the in-network companies will service that warranty. So if you'd like to find out more about soft washing and the exterior cleaning services that we do, just visit our website, premiersoftwashing.com. Or if you've got any questions and you want to talk to me personally, call me on 07 808 803 270. Thanks for watching.